Hello and welcome to Hosts and Groups lesson. In this lesson, we are diving into the core of Ansible's inventory management. We will explore how Ansible identifies and organizes the machines it manages, and why mastering this aspect is crucial for anyone looking to automate tasks efficiently. Let's get started by understanding the basic building blocks of any Ansible inventory, the hosts. In Ansible, hosts are the heart of our automation universe. These are the machines Ansible will manage, each uniquely identified by an IP address or a domain name. Let's look at a snippet from an inventory file. Here we have listed two hosts, one by its IP address and another by its domain name. This simple format is your first step in defining the scope of your Ansible management. Now let's move to groups in Ansible. Groups in Ansible help us organize these hosts. Think of groups as labels or folders on your computer where you can categorize files. By organizing hosts into groups, we can apply tasks and configurations to multiple machines at once, enhancing efficiency and scalability. Here is how we define a group of web servers in INI file format, grouping our machines based on their rules. As our infrastructure grows, so does the complexity of our management tasks. Nested groups or groups of groups allow us to manage this complexity by creating a hierarchy within our inventory. This slide shows how to structure nested groups in INI formats, providing a clear, organized way to manage multiple layers of groups, such as different types of web servers. Now let's talk about variables in groups. Variables in groups add another layer of customization to our Ansible automation. By assigning variables to a group, all hosts within that group inherit those settings. This is incredibly useful for setting up environment-specific configurations. Look at how we assign an HTTP port and maximum client limit to our web servers group. This method ensures consistent configurations across all hosts in the group. Ansible also defines some special groups automatically, like all, which includes every host, and ungrouped for hosts not assigned to any specific group. These special groups offer flexible options for targeting hosts in your playbox, ensuring that you can always reach exactly the machines you intend, whether individually or in mass. Now let's talk about aliases for hosts. Aliases let us simplify our inventory by giving hosts friendlier names. Instead of remembering IP addresses or long domain names, we can use simple, memorable aliases. This slide illustrates how to define an alias for a host, making our inventory files more readable and easier to manage. Now that we have covered the theory, it's time to talk about the next practice in our next lesson. In the following exercises, you will create your own inventory file, organize hosts into groups, and apply variables to these groups. This hands-on approach will help cement your understanding of hosts and groups in Ansible, preparing you for real-world automation tasks. And by that, we get to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.